What if ChatGPT could do more than just answer? What if it could think deeper and research smarter for you? In this video, I'll show you how to unlock two powerful tools inside ChatGPT: run deep search for accurate web-sourced answers, and think for long for deeper reasoning and analysis. If you've ever wanted ChatGPT to give you smarter, more complete answers, this is how you do it. First up, run deep search taps into real-time web info, perfect for fact-checking, trending updates, or anything beyond ChatGPT's default knowledge. Then, think for long helps ChatGPT take a moment to process and reason, great for complex problems, planning, or writing that needs depth. So if you're ready to supercharge your ChatGPT game, stick around. This will change how you use AI forever. Purpose: get real-time information from the web, especially for current events, up-to-date facts, or niche info. Step 1. Start a new chat. Open ChatGPT. Begin a new conversation using GPT-4 or GPT 4.0. Step 2. Ask a complex question or request. Type a prompt that requires updated or detailed information. For example, what are the top crypto trends in 2025? Step 3. Look for the option, run deep search. ChatGPT may respond with, "Would you like me to run a deep search to get the most up-to-date information?" Step 4. Click the Run Deep Search button. Step 5. Wait for results. The model will search the web and pull in the latest info. You'll see sources and a detailed answer. Step 6. Follow up. Ask follow-up questions for clarification or deeper insights. Use it for essays, scripts, plans, strategies, research outlines, and more. Bonus tip: you can combine both tools in one session. Use Run Deep Search for current info, then Think for Long for in-depth analysis of it.